Hi. So this is the second part of Module 3.6. I'm going to work 2 problems on this video, and then I'll work 2 more problems on the next video. I want to show you the distributive property on this. Remember, when you distribute, what are you doing? You're getting rid of our grouping symbol, which are the parentheses. So this time when I work this problem out, I'm not going to write 4 parentheses A. I'm going to go ahead and do that part that you would do in your head. So 4 times A is 4A. 4 times 2B makes 8B. And then you'll notice this positive 5A out here. Now the 5A was not inside the parentheses, so we're not going to use distributive property on that one. If you have something that's just kind of hanging out there, just bring it over. Then you can worry about combining it later. So now that I've done distributive property, once you get rid of all of your parentheses, then if you can put like terms together, that's when we're going to do that. So I have a 4A here. I have a 5A here. Both of them are positive. So remember what it says to do with like terms? Add the coefficients. So when I add the coefficients, 4 plus 5, I get 9. Bring the A over. Then I have 8B. 8B does not have anybody to combine with, so he just hangs out, and that's your final answer for that one. Okay? Next we have this problem. And I want to focus right here where it says negative 11A minus, and then there's parentheses. Anytime you have a minus subtraction sign and you have parentheses next to it, that's going to be where I put my spirit 1, ghost 1, whatever it is that you want to call him, he's there. And then see this B? This B doesn't have a coefficient. What is understood to be the coefficient for a B when it's by itself, or an A or an X? It's a 1. So if you want to put my little spirit 1 there, you can put my little spirit 1 there too. Now, negative 11A is not in parentheses. So what did I just tell you in this problem to do? Write it down. Now I'm going to distribute. Negative 1 times a positive 1 is a negative 1B. And if you need to put the 1 right here, you can next to the B. It's okay, it doesn't matter. It's not going to change the value. And then I have negative 1 times negative 2. A negative times a negative makes a positive. All right, now, once we get to this point, if I have like terms, which, crazy enough, I do. So let's combine them. I have a negative 11A and a positive 2A. Remember what the rules say for adding and subtracting. If the signs are the same, you would add, but these signs are different. So since they're different, that says basically you owe 11, you pay 2. How much do you still owe? Well, I still owe 9. If you owe somebody something, that's negative. What's left over? Negative 1B. He didn't have anybody to combine with, so that's just it. My final answer is negative 9A and a negative 1B. There's nothing else I can do to that, and that's my final answer for that one. All right, so on the next module, I'm going to work out the last 2 problems for this section, and then we're going to be done with Module 3. See you in a minute.